Hi, I'm Mrs. Williams. I'm a first grade teacher at Spalding School. Today I'm going to read The Baby BB Bird, written by Diane Redfield Massey, pictures by Stephen Kellogg. The Baby BB Bird. Oompa, oompa, roar, 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 oompa, oompa, arga, arga, roof, roof, hiss, aba, ba, ba, akity, 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 akity. The animals at the zoo had roared and growled and hissed and meowed all day long. They were very tired. Ooh, it's 8 o'clock, yawned the elephant. And he settled down in his big hay bed. I've eaten 562 peanuts today, he said. But no one heard him. They were all asleep. The zoo was very still until Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby. What? Said the elephant. Is that? It's the baby BB bird, said the giraffe. He's new to the zoo. Well, tell him to be quiet, growled the leopard. I want to sleep. Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe. Be quiet, please, said the giraffe politely. But I can't, said BB Bird. I'm wide awake. Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby. Quiet! Roared the lion. He's wide awake, explained the giraffe. Why isn't he tired like the rest of us? Moaned the bear. Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby. Aren't you tired? Asked the giraffe. No, said the BB Bird. I've slept all day, and now it's time for me to sing. Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby. Oh dear, said the elephant. And I'm so sleepy. Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby. Quiet! Shouted all the animals. Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby. We can't sleep. Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby. All night long. Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby. The sun rose in the morning on a very tired zoo. What can be the matter? Cried the keeper. The elephant is still lying down. The lion's paws are over his eyes. The eagle isn't screeching. Oh, dear me. The animals must be sick, he wailed, and he hurried away. Beebe Bobby, said the BB Bird. Cheerfully, she settled down for the morning nap. Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby. The lion whispered to the bear. I have a plan, he said. The bear nodded and whispered the plan to the others. The BB Bird was at last asleep. Beebe Bobby, roared the lion. Beebe Bobby, trumpeted the elephant. Beebe Bobby, bellowed the bears. Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, they all sang together. Quiet, said the BB Bird. Can't you see I'm sleeping? It's time for my nap. Beep, beep, bop, beep, yelled the hippos. Beebe Bobby, shrieked the seals. Beebe Bobby, thundered the moose and the water buffalo. Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, Beebe Bobby, they roared. The keeper came running with his arms in the air. "Something is wrong," he shouted. "Something is very wrong with the animals. Whatever shall I do?" And he jumped up and down with the alarm. "Baby Bobby," sang the animals all day long. And the baby BB bird simply couldn't sleep at all. BB Bobby, 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 BB Bobby. The sun went down and the moon came up. BB Bobby, BB Bobby, BB Bobby, BB Bobby, BB Bobby, BB Bobby. BB Bobby, whispered the lion, who was too tired to roar. "Baby Bobby," sighed the bear as he closed his eyes. "Be, Bob, be," mumbled the elephant, half to himself, and then all was still. The moon shone down upon a sleeping zoo. Not an ear or a tail or a whisker moved. And high, high up in the linden tree, a tiny bird inside a leaf was fast asleep. "Woof, woof, woo! Arrgh, 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 arrgh! Ack, 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 eek! Oompa, oompa, roar! Hiss! Woof, woof!" And now every day at the zoo you can hear "Beepy Bobby, Beepy Bobby, Beepy Bobby" in between the lion's roars. "Beepy Bobby, Beepy Bobby, roar!" Lovely. But at night, there is never a sound. Nighttime is really best for sleeping, especially for very little birds.